That's crazy. Look at that spider. I definitely want that on me. Hold on a second. Alright, there we go. Let me get rid of this dude. Take a picture first. Alright, you gotta go. Gots to be careful. Alright. Moving time. Saw that crazy spider out the corner of my eye. Alright. It's time to move. I don't even know if that cat can fit in here. But my guys who come over at the yard, he actually saw the groundhog, which he actually wants. And he said that thing was huge. But he still want them. With some, what did he say? Potatoes, carrots. He could put on it. But I wasn't gonna do this. I was gonna leave it alone. But this thing is getting huge and it's messing with my vegetables already. It climbed up on the table and it got to my bean plants over here. I'm at the point where it's enough. Now this is have a heart, and this is not a lethal trap for those who are, don't kill him, don't kill him. This doesn't do that. I was gonna do relocation. I heard that it has to be at least, what, 20 miles away from your location. I don't even know where to take this little monster. But see if I can figure it out. Or do I need to read? Alright. I need to read. Alright. Okay. Marmots. So I guess it's considered a marmot. Okay. Lift the door. Lock up with one hand. With the other hand, push the frame inwards. All right, let's look at this. Okay, let's read this again. Lift the door with one hand. Place the other hand and push the lock frame inwards to open the door. Now, is this inwards? Okay, here we go. Okay, that wasn't too hard. So, I bought a sacrificial plant. I don't know if it's enough, but maybe it wants this. This is a pepper plant, I believe. I don't know if it's going to eat a pepper plant. Let me see if I can find another victim. Another sacrificial plant. I should use this puppy right here, which he has been nibbling on, I think. This is from last year. That's an idea. Here's another one. Let's see what I got on the table. Okay, I can afford to let this go. Yeah, I want something kind of small. So what I do is I use these 2 plants. Now, my guy said he'll be here tomorrow morning to work on the rest. These little creatures move. It moves right about now. It's moving around. And I know early in the morning they move around. So here's the bait. Let's see if I can get this in here. I don't have any melons because I heard that these little monsters like melon. There we go. It usually hides under there. He saw a snake on the property today, and his boy saw it first, so he freaked out. And I know one of them for sure is from North Carolina. And I'm like, man, what you freaking out for? You from North Carolina. Scared of snake. Okay. Little camouflage. Oh, hold on a second. All right. Okay. We'll see what we catch in the morning. Your Weekend Gardener.